My neighbor with a comparable sized home paid 7 times. People are always asking us what makes Big Dog different from everybody else. And the reality is, the answer to that question is hands down our service. We have what we call a 5-star promise. And as like my 7th grade teacher always said, show, don't tell. So I'm going to prove it to you by using the voice of our customer. Here's what they have to say. We got this review in from Kimberly, who says, my SolarEdge system had not been working for months, and I was having problems finding anyone who would help me get things straightened out and repaired. Sierra at Big Dog started helping me, and things were straightened out so quickly. She gave clear explanations, was totally dependable, and knew how to work through the system of supplier and installers, etc. Super easy to work with. Tyler came out and did the repairs. He was patient, had to wait for me to get back home. Totally get that. Efficient, and he cleaned up after he was done. Definitely a 5-star for this team. I love it. That is the fruit of the labor that we have tried to integrate into our team from top to bottom, and it is paying off, and customers, at least some of them, are starting to see that. Here's another one from a guy named Troy that came in just yesterday. He says, I was experiencing some problems with my solar system that I had installed by a different company. Couldn't get a hold of them no matter what I did, so I called Big Dog, and I'll tell you, they were the most considerate, helpful, most genuine people I have talked to in a long time. I really appreciate them. They stayed with me till I had the problem solved. I would recommend at 6.5 stars. Thank you very much, your new loyal customer, Troy. We'll take the 6.5. Thanks, Troy. And lastly, here's another one. A third one came in just a couple of weeks ago from Penelope, who says, I want to wholeheartedly endorse Big Dog Solar. I got my system a few years ago, and the savings are very significant compared to what my power bills would be without the system. My neighbor with a comparable size home paid 7 times what I did in electrical costs this winter. When I first contracted for my system, Big Dog Solar handled all the engineering, permitting, and power company integration tasks. The actual installation was quick and very completely done. Even during now ice, high winds, and other harsh conditions, my system has functioned perfectly. The company recently detected a monitoring issue after a recent power surge that knocked out a large number of other systems in the area. They detected it from their monitoring and asked me to go to the controller and help troubleshoot. Unfortunately, I'm handicapped and cannot do even such a simple task. No problem, they said, and immediately scheduled a technician to come check the system. A tweak later, and a couple more to further optimize the system, and a call back to let me know all is good. I am not only pleased to have a system that has proven reliability and substantial savings that was promised, but grateful for the diligent and excellent customer service that they provide. I strongly recommend Big Dog Solar to anyone considering such a system. I love it. This is the fruit that comes from all these hard labors, and I'm so proud of the people that I get to work with because they really do care. If you are interested in solar, phenomenal. I'm sure we have answers to the questions that you probably have. If you decide to go with us, I hope that you know that you can expect this same kind of treatment from us. We want to be there to provide that service for you. If you don't, then that's totally okay. We wish you all the best in life anyhow.